Anyway, but this one, if you drink our Oxytap 3 times, 8 times a day, even cancer patients can improve. Because it will help the body in the cell regeneration. Yes. Right? So this is the Oxytap. This one is the HiTeraCare device. This is our top notch. Because why? This technology, quantum, terahertz frequency, and the crystal. So 100% natural. Okay. Now, what can it do to your body? First and foremost, it has a frequency that is equal to the energy frequency of your cell. So if it is, your cell right now is like active, 70%. But if your cell is sick, 50, 40, 20, 10 bedridden na yun. Okay? When you blow this to the body, it helps energizes the cell. Energize the cell. And what is the cell? We are made out of cell. Diba? Trillions of cells. So when we energize the cell, we energize the body. And if we energize the body, the cell has that natural wisdom to repair what is lacking in the system. That's why very famous our stem cell. Stem cell very expensive. For knee pain, inject 10,000, right? Okay, now what happened is when you use this in your whole body, this portion of your body, the bone marrow, is the production center of stem cell. So you don't need to buy stem cells. Use this to energize the stem cells that will go into the whole body. Okay, so this one is the natural activator of stem cell in your body. That's number one. If your body is energized, okay, what happened, right? It repairs, right? It will help heal the body, okay? And at the same time, energizes you. Every day it energizes you, okay? Yes, so that will be the one. So we have this, we have the red one, which is the classic. This is the premium plus, and we have the pro. The pro is the white one. Yeah, we have the white one, the pro. The pro is like the Ferrari. This is the BMW, and that's the Toyota. The best Toyota. Right? Low maintenance, long life. I like Toyota. Yeah, but this one is BMW. And the Ferrari. The Ferrari. The Ferrari. If you ride the Ferrari, what? 100
Ferrari with the touchy case.
Very good. Yes. Show the Ferrari. Listen. Hold on. I don't know how to open it. Sure. Okay.
It's like a secret box.
It already has the code.
Anyway, are you guys full, or we still have to?
That's the Ferrari.
So I'm gonna buy some